Bill Gates recently shared a bold vision for AI in an interview. This video explores how AI could revolutionize fields like healthcare and education based on his predictions. Access to high-quality expertise in fields like medicine and education is rare, but AI is poised to change that forever. AI will make expert-level medical advice and personalized education available to everyone, regardless of location or income. AI will transform healthcare by providing accurate diagnoses and medical advice, even in areas without access to doctors. AI tutors will revolutionize education, offering tailored learning experiences that adapt to each student's needs and pace. We are entering an era where AI intelligence will be freely accessible, reshaping how we live and work in profound ways. While AI offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with risks such as errors, misinformation, and changes to the workforce. While AI offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with risks such as errors, misinformation, and changes to the workforce. AI will unlock massive economic growth by improving efficiency, although it will also replace many traditional human jobs. AI has the potential to tackle some of humanity's biggest problems, including climate change, disease, and education gaps. AI has virtually no upper limit in its potential, and it will soon outperform humans in many specialized tasks. AI has virtually no upper limit in its potential, and it will soon outperform humans in many specialized tasks. This is a new frontier for young innovators, offering endless opportunities to create and shape the future of AI technology. From DeepMind's Go victory to today's AI tools, the progress has been remarkable, giving us a glimpse of what's to come. AI is becoming the foundation for new startups and innovations, with endless potential for entrepreneurs to explore. AI will improve lives and solve major problems, but it's up to us to ensure it's developed and used responsibly. Please like and subscribe for more news and updates on tech and innovations.